Hello everyone, today we are going to show you a very interesting use case of filter function. Let's look at our product table. So we have the product ID. For each product we have multiple channels and prices. Our goal is to keep all the prices same for every channel of a particular product, but it is not always the case. So how do we find out if it is same or not? Yes, there are only 4 products and you can find it really easily, but it is not always the case. You can have a ton of product IDs. So how do you deal with it? We create a pivot table from a table range. Okay. And now we select the product ID as row, and then we selected the product ID as row and the price as value. It is giving us a sum of price, but we don't need the sum of price. We need max of price and we need minimum of price. See, now you can identify that minimum and maximum for product 1 is same, but for product 2 it is not the same. Product 3 is same, but product 4 is different. So pivot table does that. But when you are building a dashboard or something, sometimes you may not want to use the pivot table. So how to deal with this outcome? Let me show you. First, you get all the product names. So I get unique and I select the product ID, and these are the unique values. Now I try the filter function. Filter. What should be the result? This should be the result. And what should I include? I include this equal to M4. Press enter. See, it gives us 3 results because when we were filtering this, it is giving us all the results that is related to product 1. But I don't need all of them. I just need the minimum of these results. So I do this. So this is the minimum. When I go right, minimum price. On the right, I need the max price. Okay. On the max price, we have the same formula, only on the min, I will write down max. And this is the max. So when we go down, it gives us the minimum and maximum of all the product prices. These are our minimum and maximum price. Now you can easily identify those. You can create even a conditional formatting, that is new rule. Equal to N4 not equal to O4. If it is not equal, then we will be changing the color to red and the font will be also on red color. Okay, press OK, and you can see that these are the 2 products we need to change the price. So we are achieving the same thing but with the filter function. Let me know how do you like this video. If there is any questions or concerns, let me know in the comment sections. Other than that, please subscribe my channel.